Alright, I'm Dan Waldorf. I'm the instructor for IME 352, and every year after we make our molds and make our products, I let the students show off what they did, and we go for pizza, and it's a good show and tell, and I'm going to let each group basically tell their own story.
Alright, so we made a yo-yo. Here's our rapid prototype part of the yo-yo. It's two parts. There's a case and a cap. I did the case part. Here's my mold for the case. It's got two cavities. Did a lot of polishing to try and get it really shiny. And we tried two different kinds of plastic. First we tried a clear plastic with polycarbonate. Those were sticking in the mold, so we went to the beautiful tangerine orange plastic. And you can see one of my parts here that came out.
For the top half, we have the hole for the spindle as well, and we have these little features in there that provide these little grip holes, as mentioned on this injection molded part here. It has all the rib features, so that way the string catches onto the body, and that way it doesn't go anywhere.
We designed the sunglass arms or temples. The idea is that you can switch them out quickly with like another color temple, so there's a little quick connect that would connect to the frames of the sunglasses. Here you can see where the ball of the injector comes down and it shoots all the way through there. Got our pins here to line up the two mold halves. And so that's the mold, and then here we have the final part. This is made of nylon. Yeah.
And how many tools do you break?
We broke one tool.
Alright, one tool.
So hi guys, we are the frames of their arms that they just showed. Here are the mold halves. So the whole purpose, like I said, of this project is to make a pair of generic sunglasses that you can attach the arms and reattach whatever color you want to match whatever fashion choice of that day, as opposed to purchasing a whole new pair of sunglasses. You can actually just purchase the frames separately, which we have right here, framed separately from the arms itself.
Okay, so we worked on the Moonlight project, which is a solar-powered flashlight that one of the senior project teams is hoping to implement into Africa. So the diffuser, which we did, is basically the lens. So we compression molded it due to the size of the part. We could fit it into an injection molder.
We had a really nice surface finish on this part and this part of the mold. Lots and lots of sanding.
Lots of lessons learned, and it was a good experience, and I enjoyed the class.
Here's our prototype that we have. We do not have a finished part yet.
Battery holder, and there,
We made the ergonomic model. It went pretty smoothly, and we did get a chance to part. We made it was a cast mold. We made it out of cast iron, and we're going to pour aluminum.
So we designed the mold for the ergonomic
Yeah, so what we were given was a model of the knife handle. That same one right there that the rapid prototype is based off of. So we didn't design the actual part, we designed the mold. So this is basically a final product of one of the mold halves. Here's where the plastic is actually shot into the mold. The knife blade will mount here. Plastic will fill around the blade and solidify, and you'll come out with a part looking like this. And we managed to pull it together. We come through with a part like this, and we are now waiting to shoot some plastic into the mold. Which we'll probably be doing in the next week or so. So we're excited.
So my name's Theo Grazzi today. This was my part. It was the pedal for the SA Baja team. We started off with a rapid prototype part and found a few problems with it. So then we went to start our permanent mold and noticed that some of the features were too intricate. You can see in here we actually snapped the cutter right here. So then we moved on from that to a wax plastic piece. The wax was cut out, a female cutout was cut out of wax, and we made two patterns from that. Then from there we put sand on it and then poured it out of sand. And like I showed you before, this is the end part.